The summer sun was sinking, with a light so calm and mellow. It shone on my little boy's bonny cheeks and his loose locks of yellow. The robin was singing sweetly, and his song was sad and tender. And my little boy's eyes, while he heard the song, smiled with a sweet, soft splendor. Oh, my child, my joy, my boy, restore to me my fairy boy. My little boy lay on my bosom, while his soul the song was quaffing. The joy of his soul had tinged his cheek, and his heart and his eyes were laughing. I sate alone in my cottage, the midnight needle plying. I feared for my child, for the rush's light in the socket now was dying. Oh, my child, my joy, my boy, restore to me my fairy boy. There came a hand to my lonely latch, like the wind at midnight moaning. I knelt to pray, but rose again, for I heard my little boy groaning. I crossed my brow and I crossed my breast, but that night my child departed. They left a weakling in his stead, and I am broken-hearted. Oh, it cannot be my own sweet boy, for his eyes are dim and hollow. My little boy is gone, and his mother soon will follow. The dirge for me will soon be sung, and the mass be chanted meetly. I shall sleep with my little boy in the moonlight churchyard sweetly. Yet though my heart lies broken, and grief my days is steering, I'll meet him where no shadow falls, beyond all pain and fearing. Oh, my child, my joy, my boy, no fairy hands can sever. In heaven's light we'll stand once more, together and forever.